So yesterday when I was talking about rural development and housing, CM sir mentioned about the first of its kind plant here. So that's why I came here to visit the plant and see. And obviously, there are a lot of these sewerage plants all over India, but each one has its own strength. This is the first time I'm seeing all in one, where you could collect every type of waste in a segregated manner and generate multiple outputs, whether it is electricity, gas, plastic recycling, non-recyclable material for the other users, and then clean water. So this is all in one. It's a very good plant. And I'm also seeing how I can use this in Andhra Pradesh, because we also have a Jindal plant, but it's a little bit different. So I'm thankful for showing me the current leadership, the ministers, sir, for taking the initiative and creating a wonderful long-term sustainable plant like this, where community is engaged and it's all privatized. It's a win-win for everybody. So I'm quite thankful for all the administration and leadership. Thank you.
See, the Union Minister of State for Rural Development and Communication, Dr. Chandrasekhar, as you know, he visited our WOW plant. He was really wowed with the plant because there is everything there that scientifically manages and handles garbage of the village panchayat of Chikalim. He was not only impressed, he was more than impressed, and he complimented us, and very carefully he studied all the aspects of the plant, so much so that Mr. Gaurav Kokle, who is in charge there of the plant and who helped us set it up along under Swachh Bharat mission, he said that he wants to have a similar plant in his constituency. Thereafter he asked me, how is it that you are elected 7 times? You must have done something. I want to see your constituency a little more. I took him to the Joggers Park. Again he was very impressed. He said, I have never seen such a park. Then he said, what else you have done? Certainly you have done a lot of things, that's why you are there so long. Then I took him to our sub-district hospital. He said, even our private hospitals are not as good as this particular hospital. So that I think complements the work done in the health sector. I was able to do it in my constituency. I want to compliment the Health Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, and also the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who had helped to make this happen. Thereafter he said, what else you have done? Show me at least one more thing. Thereafter I took him to the Wadem Lake, and there also he was impressed. He said, I don't want to see more. That means you have totally transformed. He said, this is the type of development what we need in our constituencies, in our country, if India is really going to move forward and be a prosperous nation. So I told him that is the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and as COU as supporting partners at the central level, I think we all have to make it happen and see that his dream is realized through people like you and me. So thereafter he came here to our office to interact with the Mahilas. They explained what are the practical difficulties faced by them, particularly in marketing their product produced by self-help group. And he said that he is going to have exhibition come display of all products made by self-help group. His ministry is going to organize such a big event in Goa very soon. And I told him, please you organize it, we will fully help you. The Panchayati Raj Ministry, the Rural Development Ministry and the government as a whole will be partaking in that. Let us make it one, he said, let us make it one of the biggest events to give a platform to the women of the self-help group of Goa from various parts to showcase their product, to market their product and see that it happens on a continuous basis. That is of essence, and that is the most important thing, what was the takeaway from the interaction with the self-help group.